everybody. We're out in the desert. My buddy Nate. Just the two of us today, it looks like. However, there's about 300 other people here in the parking lot, so if we wanted to join anybody else, we totally could. Got the two FXs ready to go. Gonna go rip out in the desert. Should be a good time. We'll see you out there. And then there's actually, like, we'll take you out just like in the parking lot. There's like a decent little half-mile sand
I'll probably
track.
out there. I'll put this later. I won't
Yeah. Okay, sounds good.
Right before I left yesterday, I over jumped the double or the table really bad trying to pass one of these guys.
Down the flat.
I landed right where everyone else was, like when they hopped off. That big dip.
Yep.
I just freaking went, goosh, my head just slammed.
Ouch.
And so I was like, oh, my back hurts a little bit today.
It's a good workout if you just want to come here and ride whoops.
There's like 1,000 ways to go.
Yeah. This is pretty fun. Wanna go ride a real trail?
Yeah, we can do it.
Let's do it.
Get some fun.
Oh.
A lot of people out here, gotta be careful on some of these turns.
I think we'll be good once we get out there, but there'll still be more than usual for sure.
Alright, let's do this.
That'll warm you
Not
up.
ready for all those whoops.
That'll warm you up. Did we bring you to this spot last time?
I think so, yeah.
Cool.
Friggin', I caught a rock as I got huckabucked. I went to go save it. As soon as I save it, my front tire nails another one.
Oh my god, did you go down or did you make it?
I made it out.
Yeah, I was going a little too fast there once and caught one that was like right in the edge of the grass.
Oh yeah. Man, take a look around here. I didn't really look around last time. Yeah. It's still so full.
That wasn't bad.
How tight is this right here to get up in? Just because on video, the more zigzag and do, the straighter the line is, the less complicated it's going to look. Even if it's the most complicated line. If you could bounce off that one, veer, brake it, kind of spin it right up here, turn it, bounce off, then go back to your other one. Just adds one more drop in there and some elevation change.
That'd be sick. What's that?
Dude, so your back tire was like inches away from that rock, so it looks super sick.
I like that.
You can see where it landed.
I looked down at it, I was like, oops.
Angles, if you hit it, nothing's gonna happen.
Yeah.
It just looks sick. So you have that. How long have you had that hammerhead shifter on there?
Since about an hour and a half, because I hated the stock setup.
Because my Tusk one is starting to wear out. But it's so much cheaper than all the rest of them. I was like, I see yours are starting to wear too, so.
Yeah, it's definitely got some wear. Oh, that's loose as shit,
Mine loosened up big time too. I had to tighten mine before last ride.
I don't know if I can.
It's an 8mm.
Yeah, I've got an 8mm. I just don't know if we can get to an angle that I can do it. Oh guys, got a small issue. My shifter's hella loose. Not sure if there's an angle I can get to that with the tools that I have.
Color.
We fixed it, guys. Woo! Nate's T-handle, we were able to jimmy rig in here. She's nice and tight. Shouldn't come off the rest of the ride. I'll get a T-handle in there when I get home with some Loctite and really crank it in there. But Nate hugged my suspension to squat it down so we can fit the T-handle in through here. Got it in there. Thanks, buddy.
Of course, that's what we're here for.
Hell yeah.
Let's go do some riding.
Yeah. Dude, that's freaking turn track weather. insane.
Dirt's awesome.
I'm not very good at this, but it's fun.
I suck at it. I don't hit rut tracks. I need to.
I know, exactly. It's
it helps me learn to keep my elbows real high. I like to feel my arms getting weak. I'm like, I have pecs. I need to eat. Oh, no, but.
Did you ever hop on the one yesterday?
Yeah, a little bit.
Dude, it was
deep.
It was good. Like, I was like, I don't know how to ride ruts, but then these ones are like so like good that they just like followed you where if you just trusted them. Dude, this is awesome. Like, I've made like a half decent rut track like above my parents' house, like in a field, but the dirt's nothing like this. Yeah. This is awesome. I wish I could hit it like freaking Taylor Robert and like take my my handlebars in the ground. No, dude, it's tiring though. My arms are a little sore from yesterday, I think. Yeah, I feel it every once in a while. I'm like, ooh, hello, new muscle. You're sore. Dude, that's awesome. I'm gonna keep freaking spinning some laps.